Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, still using the same fibs from the high of December 16 of 2017 to around December 11 of 2018. That's how I'm coming up with this fibs. Now, I did mention that we were gonna have, if we broke above the 78% retracement, the 16.3. We're gonna have a rally. We sure did. Now it looks like, looking at this candles, this looks like a spinning top. This is looking like indecision, and RSI is starting to turn. Now, overall, I'm still bullish crypto, but we might starting to see a pullback. Now let's just play a little bit with the fibs here and see what we can get out of this. Let's see why we stopped at around this level. What level is this? Let's see. Let's just use some fib extension. Let's try to figure this out. So if we use an extension from March 13th low to August 17 of 2020, and we go all the way down to about September 6th of 2020. So that is why we are stopping at about 18 grand. So we're stopping at 18 grand, and it looks like we have a lot of indecision here. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way the channel is going to reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help the whole world how to make shackles in the crypto market. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like we're all making shackles. So that being said, so it looks like we're going to found some resistance up at the 18.3 level. So this is not somewhat line up in the sand, but if we break below this, we're probably going to drift lower to 16.5, around 16.5 or so. Now, if we start breaking higher, looking at the bigger picture here, if we start breaking higher, I've said that we are going to encounter some resistance at the 20,000 level. 20,000, all the markets love to freaking stop at even numbers, right? So 20,000, and especially around 20,000 is when we stop, and we had this previous high, and we had this massive pullback. So we are going to encounter some resistance there. Now let's just move these fibs a little bit more. So let's take this ones off, and let's do some fib extensions again. So we're gonna do December 13, 2018 slow. Just put them right here. Hold on a second. Man, I am struggling today doing this. Alright, let's try this again. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna use June 25th of 2019's high, and we're gonna use March 13th low. So if we use, again, around December 12th of 2018 to June 27 of 2019's high to the low of March 13th low. So I do like this fibs a lot better. If we break, like I mentioned, guys, if we break below, we start breaking below, we're more likely can, I think line in the sand is 17.4. That's what it looks like from a fib perspective. If we have a pullback and we hold a 17.4, and then that's gonna look bullish. If that is the case, I think, like I said, we're gonna encounter some resistance at the 20,000 level, and ultimately the 161. I think this 21,000 level is very important. It's that bigger fib extension from from years ago. So I think this 21,000 level, it's very important level. If we go above the 21,000 level, and then I'm gonna be very bullish, like I'm gonna dump a lot of cash in. I'm gonna move a lot of cash over to the crypto market. Let me just put it that way, because if we break this level, let's just look, see what are, if we go above 31,000, next target is 24.4. Next target is once this 161% retracement from the bigger swing to the low, and or mega target will be 31,600. So I am watching this very closely, because if we hold the 12, basically if we hold the 12.4 level, we're going there. By the way, guys, we created a private chat, and just in case you guys need more help, we're going to put it down in the description below, Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, that's where you need to be. We're going to be posting. We have two versions, the light version and the pro version. The pro version, we're going to post setups as they come by. The light version is just technical analysis. If you need more help, and you get to I get to hold your hand at all times. So go and check it out, and go and check out my Instagram, forexcapital.ca. I'll put it down in the description below, and the Twitter account, forexcapital3. So let's just summarize this. We might have a pullback, nothing to worry about. Let's just do this to make it better. So we might have a pullback, nothing to worry about. I think if we pull back to the 17.4 level, we're still in good shape. We're still going to be very bullish. So nothing to worry about. If we break below the 17.4, and then I'll get concerned a little bit. So just keep that in mind. If we pull back, which I hope we do, that way we have a better entry point. Then our target will be 21,000. We're probably going to encounter some resistance at the 20,000 level, so just keep that in mind. And if we blast through that, and we blast through the 21,000 level, I think ultimately, our ultimate target for this run will be 31,000 before we have a pullback. So just keep that in mind, guys. Like I said, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button if you get anything useful out of the channel. Send one friend to the channel. Go and check out Easy Crypto Pro, and go and check out my Instagram, forexcapital.ca. Thanks again, guys.